Good morning, all. Today, I, Dr. Neha Ronald William, will going to tell you about skin. So, skin structure. Skin has multiple layers of cells which are divided into epidermis, that is the superficial layer, and dermis, that is the deeper layer. Dermis consists of stratum corneum, the horny layer, stratum lucidum, the transparent layer, stratum granulosum, the glandular layer, and stratum malpighium, the prickle cell layer. Before going forward, I need to share you the diagram. This is the epidermis, dermis, you can say hair root, hypodermis, follicle. This is dermal papillary, nerve ending. This is your skin diagram. Hair shaft, pore, pre-nerve ending, reticular layer of derm, sebaceous oil gland, erector pili muscle, sensory nerve fiber, endocrine sweat gland, pernician corpuscle, artery, vein, adipose tissue. So now, just a second. Now we study up again in the notes like epidermis I'm discussing. It consists of stratum corneum, the horny layer, and the stratum lucidum, the transparent layer. Stratum granulosum, the granular layer, and the stratum malpighium, the prickle cell layer. Malpighian cells are large, branched, broad, and thick. Melanoblast granules of pigment are found in the deepest layer. Dermis, this layer is below the epidermis. It has multiple layers and contain a large number of different structures. Melanophore cells, they contain the pigment melanin. Vessels, there is arterial and venous capillary network carrying blood and lymphatic vessels carrying lymph. Elastic fibers, minute fibers help to keep a texture of the skin. Sweat glands, they secrete sensible and insensible perspiration. Sweat secretes water and salt which aid to keep the skin moist and cool. Sebaceous gland, they secrete only sebum to keep the skin oily and smooth. Nerve endings and organs of touch, temperature, pain, pressure, vibration are embedded in the skin. Through this, we keep contact with the external environment. Actorus pilorium, these are minute fibrils attached to the hair roots which contract to raise the hair on their edges. Hair root, they are implanted deep in the dermis. Each root has its own oil supply through its oil sac. Function of the skin protection. The skin protects the internal part of body from external injuries. It also imparts shape and beauty. It also protects one from heat. Sensation. It keeps us in contact with the external environment by informing us of touch, temperature, pain, pressure, vibration, and stereognostic sensations. Temperature regulation. It maintains the body temperature in spite of variation in weather and other conditions through the following mechanism. Sweating. Sweat secretion is regulated by the center in the medulla oblongata of the brain. More sweat is given off to cool the body in summer, and the sweat is inhibited to preserve the body heat in winter. By convection radiation, a large amount of heat is lost to the atmosphere. Vasomotor mechanism. By dilating and constricting the superficial vessels of the skin regulates the body temperature. Fat in the subcutaneous serve as a non-conducting fat to preserve heat, and they aid to maintain the body temperature. Hair, which are more in animal and less in men, serve as an insulator to heat. Actoris pilorium mechanism. In very cold weather, tremors occur and hairs stand on the edges. Actori pilorium muscle fibers by contraction generate microcalories of heat, but millions of such fibrils do contribute a little heat which aid to combat cold. Secretion. Sebum and oily secretion is secreted through sebaceous gland. This keeps the skin oily and prevents drying of the skin. Ceremonous secretion in the ear is waxy and foreign bodies or insects stick up there, and thus the drum of the ear is spared from injuries. Absorption. Oily substances are absorbed through the skin. Storage. Skin stores many substances such as water, salty, especially sodium chloride, fats, and glucose. Consistency of pH. The acidic sweat excretes out acids and thus aids to maintain the alkalinity of the blood. Gaseous exchange. In some animals, skin is an important organ for the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide, but in human beings, the skin excretes only a negligible amount of carbon dioxide during excretion of sweat. Excretions. Certain salts like sodium chloride and a metabolite like urea are also excreted. The major excretion is that of water by the visible sweat, more so by the continuous evaporation of the invisible perspiration from all over the skin. Disease of skin. Acne. It is a common inflammatory pilosebaceous disease found in youth, characterized by papules, pustules, inflamed nodules, superficial pustule cyst, and in extreme cases, canalizing from deep inflamed purulent sac. The papules are small raised tender bump on the skin, and the pustules are bulging patch of skin that is the pus. Inflamed nodules, superficial pustule cyst, and in extreme cases, canalizing from deep inflamed purulent sacs that is discharging pus. Seborrheic dermatitis, that is a dandruff, it is an infective inflammatory scaling disease of the skin of scalp, face, and occasionally other areas of the body. Eczema, it is a chronic superficial inflammation of the skin, dry or wet, characterized by vesicles, then acute redness and edema, oozing, crusting, scaling, and usually itching. It often becomes septic. It has an allergic aspect, and it is sensitization to an irritant. Urticaria, it is an allergic condition characterized by local wheals and erythema in the dermis. Angioneurotic edema, it is a condition similar to that of urticaria but with larger edematous area that involves subcutaneous structures as well as dermatitis. Such Psoriasis, it is a chronic recurrent disease characterized by dry, scaling papules and flakes of various sizes. Pruritus or itching, it is a sensation which the patient instinctively attempt to relieve by scratching. Scabies, it is a contagious parasitic skin infection characterized by superficial boils, intense pruritus, and secondary infection involving most of the body except head, face, and neck. It demands treatment and cleanliness of the body skin for its prevention. Ringworm, it is a superficial skin disease characterized by ring-like inflammatory infections occurring in scalp, head, neck, axilla under the lingual region. It is a contagious disease caused by certain fungi. It demands treatment and cleanliness of the skin of the body for protection. Thank you.